Breaking news. We have just been notified that several aquatic species are on the brink of extinction.
That's right. According to a recent study by the United Nations, more than one-third of marine life is currently threatened, and some species are in extreme danger.
Marine life is being threatened by a number of different man-made problems. However, the most important ones are climate change and pollution.
In this investigative report, we examined 3 species that are at a high risk of going extinct.
Now, here's our expert on climate change, Chase Davis.
Chase Davis, sir, and I'm the master at climate change. The planet's climate has changed over time. The current global temperature is around 15 degrees Celsius. There is evidence that this has been both higher and lower in the past. The natural fluctuation is being taken over high-speed human-induced warming that influences the stability of the planet's climate. Chase Davis, master of climate change, out, sir.
The planet's climate has changed over time. The current global temperature is around 15 degrees Celsius. There's evidence that this has been both higher and lower in the past.
The natural fluctuation is being taken over by high-speed human-induced warming that influences the stability of the planet's climate. Sharks are a species that are famous for being predators of the sea, but with rising ocean temperatures, it may be the sea that preys on the sharks.
Research on great white sharks by the Rosenstiel School of Marine and Atmospheric Science has shown an increase in the embryo mortality rate of great white sharks.
This threat to shark populations threatens the ecosystem that depends on sharks too. Food webs are vital to the survival of many aquatic species.
Ocean acidification is another issue caused by climate change that threatens sharks. Acidification causes behavioral problems in sharks and affects growth as well. Anthropogenic activity, meaning pollution caused by humans, is a major threat to sharks.
Whale populations have been threatened by fishing in the past, but more recently, the rising temperature of the ocean has disrupted the behavioral pattern of whales.
That's right. Of particular concern is the North American right whale, which has been seeing steady drops in its already shrinking population. NOAA Fisheries classify these whales as endangered and estimates that only 450 remain.
Whales rely on constant ocean temperatures for important parts of their life, including feeding, migration, and reproduction. Their ability to reproduce is threatened, so are whales as a whole.
Many are familiar with sea turtles because of their appearances in movies like Finding Nemo. But these turtles could cease to exist if oil spills and habitat degradation continue to plague the ocean.
Numbers of sea turtle strandings on North American beaches have increased dramatically in the past 10 years, totaling almost 200 in 2011. But these numbers only represent about 5% of total sea turtles.
That's right. These species of sea turtles are currently on the ICUN Red List, meaning that they are critically endangered. If the ocean becomes more and more polluted, these sea turtle species could go extinct.
Why should we care that all these animals are going extinct? Was my first thought. These animals are going extinct could affect food, water, energy, human health.
Of course we care and need to focus on nature, but we need to see these extinctions as how they will affect human well-being.
I read this Washington Post article, and it stated that humans extract 60 billion tons from nature each year to satisfy demands worldwide for crops, fish, minerals, and other goods. Extinction must be stopped. It is crucial to human well-being and survival.
Thanks for listening to Bio Bros. I hope you learned a lot about extinction and the causes of extinction, and remember to keep in mind that us humans have a huge role to play in protecting these animals.
Back to you, Mo.